You find something? What? It's pretty cool. Look at this. Look how nice and translucent it is. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope I earn your subscription today. Today I'm gonna tell you about the gemstones everyone can find anywhere in the world. If you know what to look for. You don't have to live in Tanzania or Brazil or Sri Lanka to find beautiful gems. And what stone you can find? It's this stone. It's called jasper. I know it doesn't look as gemmy, but believe me, it's actually beautiful stone when it's polished or cut. It is actually form of quartz. I'm sure you heard about amethyst or agate or crystal quartz. So this is made of the little crystals of the quartz. Here you can see some beautiful examples of polished jasper. My favorite is this one. I love when it's faceted. It looks beautiful. Look at all this jewelry you can make from this beautiful stone. You can make so much. You can carve or you can make beautiful earrings. So how you're gonna find the jasper? It's actually really easy. Doesn't matter where you are. You just need to find a beach. Doesn't matter if it's lake, if it's by the river, or if it's by the ocean. Only thing you want to find is those larger pebbles. Here I am by the river. By the way, it's called Rhine and it's in Germany. I love to collect the precious stones, but there's nothing here. But wait a minute, really there is nothing? Nowhere in the world there is nothing if you know what to look for. And everywhere you can find some beautiful jasper. So I went out and I go for some jasper hunting. So how to find them? So you go to the beach like this and you find the spot with the larger stones. Where there are larger pebbles, there are usually heavier stones as well. And quartz is actually quite heavy. If you are a beginner, it's easier to go and check where the water is washing the shore. Here you can see some pictures of varieties of jasper. You can see they have all the colors. So let's look around and let's see if I can find some jasper straight away. Usually I find jasper within like 5 seconds, but once I turn the camera on, I can't find anything. Okay, I can see one. It's right here. See? It's beautiful red. I wouldn't keep that one because it would be really hard to polish. Or this one. You can see you can have a lot of colors. Most common and my favorite one is the red one. It's caused by iron inclusions. Alright. Let's go and check the line where the water washes the shore. It's usually much easier to find stones there. Okay. All right. I see one. It's right here. It's probably not what we expected. See? This is I call it orange, but it's more known as a yellow jasper. I know it doesn't look very gemmy, but I can tell you, you can still make beautiful jewelry from it if it's nicely polished or cut. Here I show you some pictures of a yellow jasper. Look, I think it's beautiful. If you prefer this color, you can collect the yellow jasper instead of the red one. Very nice. Here is a combination of red one and yellow one. If you're looking for jaspers, you can always get lucky and find some agates. Agates can be found pretty much everywhere, but it's much harder to find them than jaspers. So if you are a beginner or you're going with the kids, definitely go for jasper from the beginning. Alright, can you see that one? That's a beautiful jasper. You can see all different shades of red. It looks beautiful and polished. I'm definitely keeping this one. In the next video, I will show you the pictures of the stones and more. Look at this, another one. Beautiful red color. I'm keeping this one. I see lots of them here. That's a definitely good spot. Look at this one. Also beautiful with different shades of red. That's a keeper. Look at this one. Look how red it is. And when it's washed, it's even redder. Look at this one. It's so red. It doesn't look as red on camera, but believe me, it's truly beautiful and red. Jasper always look a little bit kind of polished. That's why it's easy to find them. And also, they heavy. They feel very, very heavy. And they a little bit glossy. Once you see them, you will know them. Okay, let's put my glasses on. Look at this one here. Nice. You can see the quartz vein inside. Well, this one is huge. It's almost going into purple color. It's a bit too big for me, but it's beautiful. Look at, oh, nice. Look at this one. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This red and white combination. I will show you some pictures of this one later. Okay, another one. That's a nice one. Sometimes they have like a meaty color or something like that, I would say. And another one. This one is so red. Looks like different stone, but it's a jasper as well. It's interesting patterns. It's almost already perfectly polished by water. Or by transport in water. Another jasper. You can see that orangey color go there. It's actually quite nice. You can see that this is a very nice one. Bright red and with a beautiful quartz white vein inside. Would probably nightmare to polish though. By the way, I found something really interesting. I'm not sure what exactly it is. So if you know what it is, please leave a comment. What? I'm quite sure this is petrified wood, but I don't have a clue what part of what tree or wherever it is. So please, if you know, leave the comment below. I would love to know what is it. Can you see the jasper? Yeah, here it is. It will be beautiful when polished. Oh, it's a really nice one. It's like marbly. Another red one. Look how red it is. Wow, that is so cool. And look at this one, it's huge. It looks like an agate, but unfortunately It's not really agate, but it's beautiful. I'm not sure if this is jasper, I don't think so, but it's really nice. Let's put it back. Fiancé, what do you find? Nice. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'll be back if I find something pretty epic. Alright, we found absolutely beautiful carnelian quartz. Look. Can you see how beautiful translucent it is? It's pretty cool. Sometimes when you don't know when something's gemmy, just put it on light, see if it's translucent. When it's translucent, it's gemmy. Maybe you're on a video. Okay, look at this beautiful calcedony my fiance just found. Look at this. Baby hole? Put it on the line. Look how nice and translucent it is. What? Awesome. Wow, look at what I found.
Oh wow. It's beautiful.
I take it home and make better pictures so you can see properly. You find something? What? Wow!
Epic.
Oh my god, that's...
Agate of the day.
Oh my god. That's the first agate ever. Wow.
Beautiful, eh? Oh,
That is the find of the day. Oh my god, well done. Okay, it's getting a little bit dark and it's also really windy and cold, so it was an amazing day, but it's time to go. I will make some nice pictures and I wash the stones and I will show you the pictures so you can really enjoy the beauty of the stones we found. And thank you for watching the video and I hope to see you next time. Oh, look at this. Haha, that's a nice one. That's a perfect. So I think that's a perfect way how to end this video and see you at home.